Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change text orientation within the cells in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So you can see I have written some data. So if I want to change text orientation within some cells, so you can easily do it. So firstly, select the cells. So after selecting the cells, so select those cell on which you want to change text orientation. So after selecting the cells, you can see home option, so just click on it, and then you can see orientation options, so just click on it, and then here you can see different options. So if you want to change the text orientation, you can select anyone according to you. So for example, I am selecting first ones. So you can see the text orientation is changed. So if you want to select other one, so you can, if you want to vertically text orientation, so just click on it, and you can see the text orientation in vertical form. So guys, in this way you can change text orientation. So if you want to change the text orientation in other form, so you can also change it. So you can see different options. So here you can see also the options of format cell alignment. So when you will click on it, and you can change text alignment according to you. So when you will drag point, so you can see the angle is changed of text. So here you can set any angle. So for example, I want to set 60 angle. So after that, here I can also write the exact angle, but here you can also change by this. So after changing, just click on it. So you can see text is changed along the 60 degree. So guys, in this way you can change text orientation in the Excel. Guys, you can watch another useful videos on my YouTube channel. So go to the playlist and you can find another useful videos related to Microsoft Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.